Hey all, Chad here. Wanted to take a look at the markets after the long weekend. Hope you all had a great 4th of July. I know I did. It's been beautiful out here in California. Hopefully it's been beautiful wherever you are as well. So today on our screen we have several futures. So futures are a lot of fun to take a look at over holiday weekends because they actually trade. The hours that they trade are much different from regular equities. So as you can see here, the bottom right-hand corner, we have our S&P 500 E-mini, and it started trading right here on Sunday, as usual, Sunday afternoon. Same with the top right-hand corner, which is the dollar index. And then in the bottom left-hand corner, we have crude oil, which is important for us today. And then in the top left-hand corner, we have U.S. oil, which is our tracking stock for U.S. oil, obviously. So let's take a look. So as we were talking about last week, the S&P 500 had hit this trend line that it's been making over the last month or two, and we thought that it may turn around and move lower. It's made this incredible move since the Brexit vote, but after hitting this trend line, we wanted to see if it was going to be repelled back downward or if it was going to break through it. So at least for the time being, it looks like it has moved downward. So if you look here right about midnight on Sunday night, Monday morning, the S&P 500 E-mini hit a peak and then turned back down and traded lower today. So if we look above at the dollar index, this did not happen. So initially there was a move upward on Monday morning, but then it moved downward, traded sideways, and really didn't start moving upward until the trading session today. So still some correlation with the S&P 500, but not perfect. If we look at crude oil, right about midnight on Sunday night, it did the exact same thing as the S&P 500. So it hit a top and then started moving lower. So a lot of people are saying that because of that temporal relationship, maybe we are now correlated with oil again like we were previously. What that says to me is that if we are less correlated with the dollar now than we were last week, perhaps we've moved past the whole Brexit drama, so to speak. So that's great. So we can go back to our old playbook, and what worked over the last year or so before Brexit will hopefully work again. So we'll see. We do have some big numbers this week, especially the jobs report on Friday, so be on the lookout for that. All right? Well, hopefully you are rested and ready for a big week, and I'll talk to you soon.